Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use some of the Chrome extensions that are very useful. It will make your browsing experience so much better. So let's get started. So first, let me tell you what a Chrome extension is. So Chrome extension is the software that is installed on your browser and it do different things. So there are two types of Chrome extensions. One of them that just only work on the browser and it does not do anything else on the computer. And some of them are kind of installed to communicate with different software on your computers. To get to Chrome extensions and the extension that you have, you can click on this puzzle icon, and here you'll see this Chrome extension. You can go to manage extensions, and here it will kind of tell you different extensions that you already have. The other way to get to this page is click on these little three dots, and then you go to settings, and then here you will see extensions, and then you click on that. It will open in a new tab, and you kind of go to the same page from both of the places. So now to get more extensions, you have to click on these three little bars on the left hand corner, and then go down. It says open Chrome web store. So this is the web store with all the extensions and different stuff available. So they have different categories for different things. You can go to sports. These are extensions for that. Shopping, there's some extensions for if you do online shopping. There are extensions for uh, other kind of like find coupons for you and then add it to your shopping list. So there are a lot of cool extensions here, so I will recommend everyone to check it out. But in this video, I want to talk about the ad blocker. So what ad blocker does is that it blocks ads from showing on your website. So if you're visiting different websites and you see a lot of ads on their website, so what you can do is just install ad blocker on your on your Chrome, and what it will do is that it will stop the ads from showing on your website. So what it does is that it stops the website from communicating with the ad server. So you just stop that communication. So if the website is not communicating with ad server, it is not able to show the ads. So you will still be able to visit the website, see everything that is on the website, but the only thing you will not see is the ads. There are a lot of other logic and algorithm and kind of Java code and CSS embedded there, but you don't have to worry about that. So what you need to know is that what ad blocker does is it just stop communication between the website and the ad server, and that is why you are not able to see ads. However, sometimes the website is very smart. They have built the website to detect ad blocker. So in that case, what you would do is just allow that website to allow the ad blocker to visit that website. So that's pretty easy. You just have to click on always allow and do that. So to install a Chrome extension, you just click on this and then click on add to Chrome. So this software, and then after that you will say add extension. So this will install that software on your machine or on your browser. So now the ad blocker is installing. So now the ad blocker is installed. You just ignore this. So here, if I click on this puzzle bar here, I see the ad blocker. So if for whatever reason this website was not letting me, this was not letting me use the ad blocker, it will give me a message that, hey, you are using an ad blocker, so please remove the ad blocker. So what you have to do is just click on here, and then here you will say that pause on this side. So what you are doing is that you're allowing ad blocker to pause on this website. So ad blocker will not only work on this website, it will work on everything else. This website will be extension, so you can say that always. So whenever you visit that website, ad blocker will stop working only on that website. It will work on anything else, but it will just stop working here. So ad blockers are very helpful. They can make your browsing experience so much better. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.